I'm now going to show you how to create your own lead generating website from insurance help centers. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to the website insurancehelpcenters.net. So it's www.insurancehelpcenters.net. That's the page we're at right now. On the left, you're going to see Home, Login, and Create Account. Click on Create Account. The first thing you need to do is to create an account, and we're going to do that right now. The password on this must be at least 7 letters or numbers with a character. And you have to put it in twice. The next thing they ask you for is an email, so you put in an email address. The next thing they ask you for is a password, a security question, and an answer. Just put in a simple security word and answer. After you do that, it says Create User. Click on Create User. It's going to say your account has been successfully created. The next thing you go to is Set Up Your Website. It's going to say Website My Account Set Up For, and it's going to have your username. And if you go underneath, you see where it says in blue, Website Inactive. Click Activate to Pay. What I'm going to say is that right now is that if any of you are affiliated with an IMO and FMO, contact them or contact me for some special pricing. The next thing we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in your company name. We're going to call our company the Insurance Group. The next question they ask you for is, what does your company do? Are you a financial planner, a retirement specialist? We're going to say we're insurance specialists. The next thing is we are going to give you your own web address, which will be insurancehelpcenters.com. This is a top-level domain for your own insurance address. What you need to do first, though, is put in a subdomain. You want to make it short. You want to make it easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the initials of the insurance group, and that's going to be my subdomain. So my website will be www.tig.insurancehelpcenters.com. The next thing they ask you for is you put in your address. Then you're going to put in your city, state, and zip code. Now, the next questions they ask you for is, do you have another website? Many of my clients have more than one website. And the reason for this is they have a marketing website, regular website, plus the more websites they have, the more the ability for them to be found by the search engines. So I'm going to put in another website. The next thing they ask you for is simple questions. What is your telephone number? If you have a toll-free, put in a toll-free. If you have a cell, put in a cell number. If you have a fax number, put in a fax number. Now, the next question they ask you for is email to receive requests. Remember, this is a lead-generating website. You're going to give away a best-selling 1995 retirement and planning book, which your visitors to the site are going to want. They're going to put in their name, email, and telephone number, and it has to be sent to your email. So put in the email where you want to get the leads. Now, the next thing we ask you for is, it's going to be the About Us page. This page will have the name of your company at the top, plus it will say specialize in helping our clients achieve their financial goals and insurance needs. We are experts and have help centers in the following areas. Underneath, you'll see a list of services. All you need to do is put in the products that you sell and the services that you provide. Our company, Insurance Group, is going to sell life insurance. It's going to sell final expenses. It's going to sell mortgage protection. It will also sell major medical and Medicare Part D. We're also going to get involved in selling annuities, which will be fixed or variable annuities. And we're also going to get involved in retirement areas, which is individual retirements. Plus, what we're going to do is we're going to get involved in protecting our assets in retirement and financial planning. Again, you could always come back to this and add or take away different categories. At the very bottom of the page, you're going to see the word save. Click on save. It's going to say changes have been saved. Right now, your website is up and completed and live. As you see on the left, it has home, my account, and my website. Click on my website. Here is the website that we just created. The Insurance Group, Insurance Specialist, that's what we are. Now remember, the first page, what you want is when a visitor comes, you want to hit them right in the face that says free retirement planning book. That's what they want. That's the hook that will bring them to give you their name, address, and email. On the left, you'll see home, about us, and contact us. Hit the about us page. This is the information we put in. We are the Insurance Group. We specialize in helping our clients achieve their financial goals and insurance needs. And here are all the the products that we sell and the services we provide. And again, we could always add to it because we could always get back in. We next go to the Contact Us page. The Contact Us page is all the information we put in. Plus, here is the information that the visitor has to fill out to get the book. Underneath where it says contact our help centers and ask an expert, it says please fill out the form below to receive the best-selling financial retirement planning ebook. They fill out this information and they hit the word submit, and that lead goes exclusively to you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the page that we were originally at, and I'm going to log out. Right now, you're back to insurancehelpcenters.net. This is the page that we originally started at. And if you wanted to go back in, what you do is you go to the login, put in your login information and your password, and you'll be able to change all the information. What I want to show you now exactly what's important about this lead generating website is I want you to go down to the very bottom of insurancehelpcenters.net. On the very bottom of the page, you will see, first of all, my contact information in case you need to contact me. The next paragraph where it says financialhelpcenters.com/108.pdf, this is the actual text of the abridged edition book, 32-page book, that you'll be able to give to clients, which will begin the conversation. And what I want you to see, which is very important, above that you'll see testimonials. I want you to go to the testimonials because I want to show you, in addition to here are all the agents that have been very successful in using insurance help centers. And by the way, they've gotten as much as 10 to 50% referral leads using this service in the book. I want you to go down a little bit more past halfway. And in addition to the service, we're going to give you 6 marketing campaigns on how to use the service. And one of them, which has been extremely successful, they've all been successful, is we will also give you access to a postcard. So you'll have marketing, a postcard that will draw people to your website. At this point, I want to thank you. If anyone has any questions, please, again, here's my contact information. Call me or call your IMO and FMO, and I'll be more than happy to give you all the information. Thank you again.